In this section, we will look at more of the course specifics for Biology 2035 or microbiology. My name is Jessica Bell. I have my doctorate in molecular, cellular, developmental biology, and genetics from the University of Minnesota. This is for spring semester 2016. This semester runs from January 11th to May 12th. Again, my name is Jessica Bell. My email is jessica.bell@century.edu. Email is the best way to get a hold of me. Sometimes if you call on the phone, I won't call unless I'm back in the office again. But email I have access to almost 24 hours a day, and it's connected to my phone. So I will get it right away, but I won't respond at that moment depending on what is happening. Please type in Biology 2035 in the subject field of the email. My office is on the East Campus in room 2820. This is a hybrid course. The lecture is online. Please follow the online lecture schedule or suggested study schedule in your syllabus. The lab is on the East Campus in room 3878. Please attend the lab that you are registered for. Section 5 is on Wednesdays from 8:50 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. And Section 06 is on Wednesdays from 12:05 to 3 p.m. I am available daily to answer your questions via email. My office hours are posted on D2L and with the Science Department Administrative Assistant. My office hours for spring semester are Mondays from 10 to 1 p.m., Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12:40 to 2:10 p.m., or you can make an appointment with me. If you cannot find me in my office, please check the microbiology lab. Be aware of spring semester dates. Spring semester begins January 11th. The last day to drop classes with a full refund is January 15th. The college will be closed on Martin Luther King Day and President's Day. Student Success Day is February 10th. Tuition payment is due on February 23rd. Faculty meetings where there are no classes is on February 26th. Spring break is from March 14th through the 19th. Priority registration for summer and fall begins on March 21st. The last date to apply for spring graduation is April 1st. There are faculty meetings, so no classes on April 7th. A tuition down payment or arranged deadline for summer of 2016 is on May 2nd. Your final exams are scheduled from May 9th through the 12th. Please check your course schedule on D2L for no lab or lecture dates. In the syllabus is the course schedule. You have an online lecture, so a recommended study schedule. Week 1, it's recommended that you go through orientation and complete Chapter 1, A Brief History of Microbiology. There is no assignment or activity due online during that first week. The first day of lab is January 13th. There will be an in-class assignment that you guys will do in groups. We will go over microbiology lab safety and agreement. We'll go through some of the exercises in your lab manual. Your first test is on Wednesday, February 17th. All exams will be in person in class during your lab scheduled time. There is no class February 10th because of Student Success Day. Please make yourself aware of the schedule and how everything works. All of your online quizzes will be due Friday that week that they are due by 11:59 p.m. Your first online lecture quiz is on Chapter 1, and it will be due Friday, January 22nd by 11:59 p.m. Required items for this course include the lecture textbook, which is the Bauman, published in 2012, Microbiology with Diseases by Body System. It is the 3rd edition. The laboratory manual, which is required, is by Leboff and Pierce, the Microbiology Laboratory Theory and Application. It is a custom edition made just for Century College. And safety glasses and goggles are mandatory. They're also available for purchase in the bookstore. Your grading and formal assessment will include both a lecture and lab component. There are 4 lecture exams, each worth 100 points, 10 in-class assignments, each worth 5 points, 8 of the best 12 chapter quizzes, which are 10 points each. In the lab, you will have a written practical exam at the end of the semester worth 100 points, 2 technique practical exams worth 10 points each, and then a lab binder, which will be due at the end of the semester worth 50 points. The total for this course is 700 points. Your grading is based off of the number of points and the percentages. An A is 90 to 100%, which would be 630 to 700 points. That continues down the scale, so a B would be 80 to 89.9%, a C 70 to 79.9%, a D 60 to 69.9%, and an F from 0 to 59.9%. The grading scale is for the combined lab and lecture points. The percentages are determined to the nearest 2 decimal places. 89.91 is still a B. If you miss 5 or more labs, you will automatically fail this course. You are getting credit for a laboratory course. If there is an issue with the grading in one of your assignments or exams, you must address it within 1 week from the time that it was posted. Your lecture grade will be based on quizzes. There are 20 questions that include matching and multiple choice. There are 0.5 points per question, and you have 40 minutes to complete. The team-based learning activities are in-class assignments, and they are short answer, and they involve critical thinking. Your tests are 50 questions, 2 points per question, and they include multiple choice and concept questions. Your formal lab grade includes lab activities, hands-on, active learning, and a lab handouts or your lab manual. Lab practical is short answer, includes structural characteristics, growth and reproduction, physical and chemical methods of control, the safe handling of microorganisms, methods for culture, visualization, identification of known and unknown microorganisms, and interpretation of results. Your technique practicals include the safe handling of microorganisms, the gram stain, and the streak isolation. We are all in this together, and we will benefit from each other, so let us as a group value all questions and treat others with respect. I wish you the best success.